Hey folks, welcome back to Horseman Ranch and the Horseman Ranch YouTube channel. Today we're doing something different. We're doing some smoked venison queso dip. So don't go anywhere. Okay guys, this is really easy. So this is ground venison. It's actually ground venison sausage. So it's mixed with some pork fat and got some sausage seasoning in it. And that's it. It's just ground. You can use ground venison. You can use anything you want. Wild turkey. You can use anything. Any kind of meat in this, okay? I've got some queso blanco cheese. I've got some jalapeno jack cheese in this, bell peppers, jalapeno peppers, some garlic, and that is it. And it's all mixed up, and so that's what it looks like beforehand, okay? And we're gonna put this on this smoker here for about 30 to 45 minutes, maybe an hour, let it melt, and at the very end, we'll add a little bit of cheese to it if we need to, okay? So this is it right here. I'll have the ingredients to this in the description below, so don't worry about, trying to memorize what I just said. So here we go. We put it in the old smoker here. Got some oak and hickory in that thing, right in the center of it, and there you go. So we'll check on here in just a little bit. Stay tuned. Okay, we're going to check on it. Been about 10, 12 minutes is all. So not super long, but we're already getting a good melting going on. Got a good smoke color happening with this hickory. Got some cheese melting down there. That's good. Hey, in my last clip, I said at the very end, if we need to, we will add some cheese. I meant to say we will add some milk to thin it out, not cheese to thin it out. So we'll see what it looks like at the end and go from there. Hey, you guys stay tuned. We'll check on here in a bit. Okay, guys, we're here. We got it going on. This is melted down real good. So check it out. It looks really good. I'm gonna pull it over here. So it does need to be thinned out. And so as you can see, it's really thick right now. So I've heated up some milk. It's whole milk. I got about a cup. I don't know if I'm gonna use all of it or not. And we're just gonna kind of slowly incorporate that milk in there. I don't think it's good to use cold milk with this. So, oh yeah, there we go. It's starting to look like a cheese dip now. A little bit more milk. And so that's what you gotta do. You just gotta stir it in there real good. As much as you want to thin it out or to thicken it up, whichever one. It needs more milk. So I've used about half a cup is what I've used. Let me get this stirred in real good here. So this is gonna have a great flavor to it. Really great flavor. Okay, hang on, just keep going. So some milk here. There it is, we are done. So we ended up adding about a cup and a half of milk. That's gonna be to your desire on that. So however thick or thin you want it. I actually did throw it in the oven for about 10 minutes at about 350 to kind of incorporate that milk and cheese together. And it turned out really well. So guys, let's give a taste of this. This is gonna be awesome. This is fun to do. If you get the smoker going or you wanna start the smoker, however you wanna do it. But here we go, let's do a taste test here. Oh yeah. Really good. Takes that smoky flavor, takes that venison, the jalapeno, it's all good. Shout out to my cousin Mark and his wife Sean for the homegrown jalapenos from Plano, Texas. We got them last weekend, saw them at Thanksgiving. So excellent, she does great gardening and so thank you Sean Glenn for the jalapeno peppers. Guys, try this. This is easy to do. Mix it up, add whatever meat you want to add to it, whatever cheese you want to add to it. Just get a good melting cheese. And hope you enjoyed the video today. Got a lot of football coming up with bowl games and NFL games. This is great to do of a morning in your smoker and then serve it. Hey, thanks for watching as always. And we'll see you next time on Horseman Ranch.